Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm really excited because I'm gonna be reviewing my subscriber slime once again. I've done a first part to this video, and if you want to see it, I'll leave it down below. So if you're new to my channel, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel and turn on my post notifications so you won't miss another video like this. Let's try to get this video to 400 likes. I know we can do it. So these first slime are from Sami slimes, and oh my god, you guys, this one was probably one of my favorites. It's called Dole Whip, I think. Dole Whip, like vanilla Dole Whip, and it's so thick. I think he or she, I don't know the gender, but I'm not trying to assume. So I think they use like a thick slime and added like some clay. It feels like it has clay in it, and I really love the texture. It's so pokey. I'm sorry I couldn't include any ASMR footage, but my mic was kind of acting weird today, and I didn't want to input the footage like that, so I just muted the whole video. So this next one is called Pineapple or banana something, banana split, and it's a cloud slime, you guys, and I really love cloud slime. And this one was a super thick cloud slime, as you can see in the beginning when I showed you guys this. It came out of the container really nice. So this had super nice drizzles when you stretched it, and look how thick it is and like super cloudy, and I really love this. I love the color, I love the scent. It smelled like bananas, and I really loved with this one. Honestly though, the texture of his or hers cloud slimes are super amazing, you guys. I think he or she has mastered the cloud slime like recipe. He also included some glitter, some foam beads, and a little charm that's I think an eraser, and some borax. So overall, I really think you guys should go check him out or her. And I rate this shop a 5 out of 5. I really loved it, and I love like he included the extras, and I love the slimes, and I honestly love this whole slime shop. So this next shop is called Basketball Slimes, and I really love their logo. It's so colorful, it's so nice, it's so vibrant. I really loved it, and I loved how the basketball was included on there. So this first slime was a blue slime, and it was super glossy when I opened it. It had foam beads on top, and it was super nice. I really loved how he included like the little charm. I think there was a little charm in the bottom. I don't know what it was, but there was a charm. So it included a charm and included some foam beads, and the slime was super thick, and the nice blue it was super pokey and super bubbly. I had to crack it a lot. I'm sorry again, I could not include any ASMR, but this slime overall, you can see it's super nice. So for this next one, I'm really excited because it's a butter slime, and honestly guys, this is probably one of the best butter slimes I have ever felt. This one was called like Funfetti something. It smelled really good. It smelled, never mind, I don't think it had a scent. It was just a normal butter slime, but with like sprinkles, and I really loved it. It was super soft, it was super spreadable. I don't know, I've never felt a cloud slime like this. I don't know if they use Daiso or like Air Model Magic clay, but this slime was super soft and spreadable, super airy, and I honestly loved it. So for the extras, he included this little slime that came in the little capsules, and this one smelled like mint chocolate chip, and I really loved it. It was super pokeable, it was super glossy and super thick. As you can see, it had little sprinkles. I'm sorry you guys hear dogs barking in the background. So this next extra he included or she included was this Mono Magic. She also included this little packet of borax and foam beads and a letter and a note card. So I really love this one, and I rate it a 5 out of 5. So this next slime shop is called Sami Slime, and for the extras I included some foam beads, also some candies and some squishies and their little business card, lots of glitters, lots of foam beads, more candy, and more glitter unicorn skin, some more stuff, and I'm honestly grateful for you guys and so much. Oh, and this one is a non-borax slime shop, so if you guys are looking for non-borax slime shops, then this one's the one for you. So the first slime is called Love Potion, and this one's super nice. It smelled like, I think it was baked cookies or brownies or chocolates, I don't know, it was something sweet. It was super pokeable. I'm sorry once again for the no audio, but yeah, you know. So this one was super pokeable, super clicky, super glossy. I really loved this one. So this next one is called Melted Peeps, you guys. I'm sorry there's pink slime on there. It's not their fault, but I had pink slime on me. I know you guys are gonna cringe, but this one is called Melted Peeps. And honestly, you guys, this one was probably one of my favorites out of this whole package because, oh my god, it smelled so good. It was so thick. It had marshmallow beads, which I've never seen in slime. I have seen them, but I've never felt them. So this next one is called Oreo, or I think Dunked Oreos, something like that with Oreos. Okay. I know I've been saying that they're all my favorite, but this one, I can't stop playing with it. I'm like literally obsessed with this one. I put it in the fridge every night because I like it. Like, it's super thick right now, but when I put it in the fridge, it's so thick. You guys, that's a life hack. If you guys want it like thick, put it in your fridge. But this one was probably my favorite out of this whole review, you guys. This one smells so good. It smells like actual Oreos, and oh my god, the cream, it smells like so, I don't have words for this one. I give this whole thing a 5 out of 5. I'm really like shook with this whole slime shop. So this next one is called Gingerbread Man, and this one actually smelled like gingerbread. I forgot to tell you guys, they all come with charms. All of them that I got had charms in them, like the cookies and cream, except the melted piece, but that's okay. And this one is a butter slime. It had like black foam beads, not foam beads, glitters, and it was a butter slime. It was super thick. It smelled so good, and I honestly loved it. They sent me more slime, but it was gonna take a long time to me to review, so I'm gonna do another Instagram review on my Instagram later on today, so go ahead and watch that. And that is basically it for the video, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.